Under the nurturing mentorship of Honorable Dr. Sushil Gupta and Chairperson Mrs. Rachita Garg, Ganga International School, Sawda is scaling new heights. The guiding force behind this vision is the dynamic and strong-willed principal of the school, Mrs. Kavita Malik. Under her leadership, many extraordinary milestones have been achieved, which has touched every spheres of the society. A lush green campus, boosted with excellent infrastructure and clubbed with modern learning facilities, nurtured the students to churn out best in academics as well as in sports activities. We believe in imparting knowledge-based education infused with extracurricular activities, academic mentorship, smart board, educational tours, workshops, remedial classes, and resources-based training to students as per age criteria. This in tune with Indian values to provide a holistic growth in the students. We also believe that education is a shared commitment between parents and teachers. We have focused and highly motivated staff who work round the clock to meet the expectations of the parents and shape and mold the students to face the challenges of the world confidently. The school has excelled in sports with dedicated faculty, winning many awards such as Khelo India Campaign 2018-19, CBSE National Awards in Judo and many zonal awards in cricket, hockey among others. This holistic approach makes our students ready to meet future challenges of life. The school alumni consist of eminent doctors, engineers, sports players of both national and international level. Ganga International School, creating pinnacles for the future.